Welcome everyone, welcome back to a brand new video and this is going to be a very different video because ये normal Kolkata का video नहीं है. Today we are here in Pondicherry and I've come on a family trip. तो मैं आपको थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ का local sightseeing and what we do that I'm going to show and let me first show you where we are staying. We're staying in Villa du Ocean and this is located in White Town. Details of this particular hotel in the description box. This hotel from Ixigo application. पहले से booking करके रखे थे and we had paid everything for this hotel. So we like took 2 rooms for 2 days. Right now we have come to a sunglass and hat wala shop to buy our local sunglasses and cap. तो अभी भाई खरीद रहा वहाँ से. So let me share a small history about this White Town with you all people. So originally when the French people had come over to India and they colonized this particular town for almost 300 years or more, they had like divided this whole town into 2 parts. One was the White Town, where the French people they stayed and they had like built all the homes and everything into their architectural style with their pastel colors and everything. And the other part of the town, which was divided by a canal, that was called the Black Town, where the original Indian Tamil people lived. And the White Town was a completely secluded and a distinct place where only the French people or the Britishers could stay, and they did not allow any local people or the Tamil people to even enter this part of the town. So we are starting the first local sightseeing, which is the mangrove forest boating. There are a lot of shops which will give you different boats for going on a mangrove forest boating ride. So we have booked one. The charge is 500 rupees per person and they give you these short boats where a group of 12 people can be allocated and then they take you for the mangrove boat ride. So now we have landed from the boat on our third place, which is the Erikomedu geological site. तो जो आपका जो boat है, mangrove house boat, जो आपको not a house boat, sorry, but the mangrove boat, it takes you to 3 to 4 places. First, they'll show you the harbor where all the ships are kept and जहाँ से the sailors they do the shipping and all. Second, they show you the mangrove forest, like they take you on a ride towards it. And third, they make you stop at this Arikomedu geological site. You have to get down from the boat and walk करके फिर आप ये sightseeing देख के they give you like 10-15 minutes for the whole thing to do. And फिर आपको again have to be back on the boat. And fourth, I think they'll show us the backwaters, the ocean and sea meeting point, or the backwaters and the ocean meeting point. And फिर आपको they'll drop you back to their shop. This is the Arikomedu geological site. It's an old historical place. History तो मैंने पढ़ा नहीं है इसका अभी तक. बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं यहाँ पे, बस ये छोटा सा architecture building which have been tried to be preserved by the government. तो यहाँ पे आप लोग फोटो खींच सकते हो because it's quite a photogenic place. तो लोग यहाँ पे फोटो ले रहे हैं. You can take rest. You can have डाब का पानी, कोकोनट वाटर. I bought this hat for myself from the shop. ये 200 रुपये लगा and I think it's pretty good for 200. अच्छा ये देखने में. हम लोग एडेन बीच, ये यहाँ का ब्लू फ्लैग बीच है। बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्लीन रखा जाता है बीच को, एंड नो काइंड ऑफ प्लास्टिक इज अलाउड ओवर हियर। एंड बहुत सारा यहाँ पे खाने का स्टॉल्स है। देन a lot of water sports is also available over here, पैराग्लाइडिंग एंड ऑल, ये सब भी यहाँ पे है। एंड रेस्ट रूम्स, प्रॉपर शावर्स, ये सब भी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। सो आई कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ पब्लिक इज देयर टुडे। आज विजयदशमी भी है, तो दशमी का छुट्टी पर टुडे 2 अक्टूबर एज वेल। तो महात्मा गांधी बर्थडे के लिए भी आज पब्लिक हॉलीडे है। आई थिंक द लोकल क्राउड इज ऑल्सो ओवर हियर, एंड इतना ज्यादा भीड़ है आज यहाँ पे। Eden Beach is famous for its fish fry items, and जो भी यहाँ पे कोस्टल में मिलता है, squid, crabs and different kind of fishes which are local to this place is available. Eden Beach is like free for entry, and यहाँ पे बहुत street food is famous. Apart from that, you can come here like by taking your scooty which is available in for rent, या फिर cab book करके और through auto. It's just this White Town के nearby. It's like just 7 kilometers or 10 kilometers from White Town. Now we have come for lunch to Delhi Wala 6, a pure veg restaurant, and they have a cafe also. These beautiful fridge magnets, they are saying they're for 150 each. Different designs are also there. And you can take these one also for your gifting purposes. These are for 50 each. I discovered now one interesting thing, these whistles. You can like blow them and they make like bird sound, and if you fill water they make more different sounds. These are also for like 50 each. So I took one of the chocolates just for trying. I think this is Coffee Dream. So let's see how it tastes. So it has a bitter coffee taste and a mixed chocolate kind of flavor. It's good. It's not bad. We're still waiting in the queue, and because of the public holiday, there's a huge crowd over here. And I think we have to wait for 1 hour more, I guess. Like my mom's already tired. She's sitting over here. There's my brother and my dad trying to negotiate with the manager कि कितना time लगेगा. Super crowded today.